Hello friends, welcome back to our channel The Burkas. Today I will show you how to make North Karnataka special dish Shenga chutney and Putani chutney. It's a very tasty, eaten with dosa, jowar roti or ganji. First we should roast groundnut or peanuts or shenga in a pan very well. Then its peel should be removed and separated. Now we have to take some ingredients to make shenga and putani chutney. 1 cup of shenga and 1 cup of putani, and the ingredients required to make both the chutneys are same. They are salt, 10 to 15 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves and 2 tablespoons of red chili and Kashmiri chili powder mix. First add 1 cup of putani to a mixie jar. Now add garlic cloves, cumin seeds and curry leaves, chili powder, salt and mix well. Now grind it very finely and make a powder of it. See, the putani chutney is ready to serve. Now for the peanut chutney, first we have to add peanuts to the mixie jar. Then add all the rest of the ingredients like garlic cloves, curry leaves, jeera and salt, chili powder, all the ingredients. Here we have to make coarse powder of the peanuts. Then we have to add 2 spoons of oil. Here again we have to make coarse powder of this peanuts, because finely powder of this chutney will not taste good. Coarse powder only tastes very good. Now very healthy, tasty and delicious shenga and putani chutneys are ready to serve. I served both these chutneys with jowar roti. It's very delicious thali. First I added jowar roti. This jowar roti recipe I uploaded already. Jowar roti with butter, homemade butter and homemade this peanut and putani chutney. Along with this we will serve this pickles, curd, and onion and green chili also. It's very delicious thali. Once you try for sure. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.